Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we get to play with the new NORVINA palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this palette. The moment that I saw it, I knew it had to be mine. Anastasia just makes some of the best eyeshadows out there that I have personally ever tried. They're so easy to blend. They're so soft, so pigmented. I had to have it. And the colors in this palette are just so different from anything that I have seen, at least within the same palette. So I knew I had to add it to my collection. It's definitely a lot different than anything that Anastasia has ever launched before, so had to have it. I do plan on putting at least 3 looks together using this palette, including this one from today. So the next 2 videos that you're going to see are definitely going to be using this new palette right here. I really want to play with it, especially because I feel like I can get 3 very different looks and all using the exact same palette. So I'm excited to do that. And of course, I'm going to be putting every single look together using my Sigma brush set. It is still on sale if you're interested in purchasing it. Link is down in the description box below, along with everything that I have on my face. So any kind of product that you're looking for or you're wondering what's on her face, it's going to be in the description bar below. So now let's get right into this eye look. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and per usual have prepped my eye for eyeshadow application. The only thing that I've done is applied concealer onto the entire eye and then I've set it with a powder. First eyeshadow that we're going to grab from the palette is Incest. And I'm going to take that with my Sigma E40 from the set and I'm going to start by applying it into the crease here. Blending it back and forth using circular windshield wiping motions. A little more. Okay, moving on to Eccentric from the palette. I'm going to grab that with my E40 once again. I'm going to be applying it into the crease. I really like the way that these are blending into one another. So far, so good with this palette. So next I'm going to take Passion and I'm actually going to grab this with the blending brush, the E25 from the set. Just taking a little bit of that and I'm going to start off by patting this onto the outer corner here, the outer V. Man, I love Anastasia eyeshadows. Like I love them with a passion. Because just like the name of this eyeshadow, they just are so easy to work with and they pack such a punch of color. You don't need a whole lot of product in order to get really amazing color payoff. Like they're just so beautiful. Just patting that in and then going back to my E40 and blending it out. Then I'm going to have to go back in with a little bit more, pat it onto the outer corner here. And then I'm going to actually be blending out the edges using this brush right here. So just by lightly going over the edges in circular motion, that's going to help blend it out so that you can't see a line where the eyeshadow ends. Alright, so far so good. Next, I'm going to take Rose Gold with my finger. Oh, I'm going to place this right onto the eye. Look at that Rose Gold. Oh, this is stunning. Such a stunning eyeshadow shade. Now I'm taking this all the way up to the crease. Okay, so before I apply false lashes, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. Just using my Superhero Mascara from IT Cosmetics to give myself a nice, quick coat before I go in with false lashes. Okay, so now it's time for false lashes. The ones that I'm going to be using for today are my Diva lashes from Pure Cosmetics. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, I'm going to work on the rest of the face before coming back to the eyes to finish those off. Okay, so next we are jumping back into the palette, and I'm going to first grab Passion with my Sigma E30 pencil from the set. And I'm going to pat it onto the under eye area. I always smoke out the bottom lash line just because I feel like it looks a lot more flattering than just having it blank and not doing anything with it, and blend it out. And I'm going to go back with my E25 and blend that out even a little bit more. So I'm not adding any additional product, just using whatever's left over on the brush and running that back and forth. Alright, next I'm going to take Dreamer from the palette with my pencil brush, and I'm going to pop that onto the inner corner of the eye. Alright, and finishing this look off with some mascara along the lower lashes. So that completes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial and that you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future makeup tutorials, product reviews, anything beauty related. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I am All Beauty by Sarah with an H on Instagram and All Beauty by Sarah without the H on Snapchat and Twitter. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye.